Do you have enough of your Asus Zenfone 9 in its default case? Is it a bit boring for you? Then I have the right thing for you, the Connex accessory kit from Asus, which allows you to get a little bit more flexible. As no one really reviewed it yet on the internet, I thought it might be a good thing to do it right now. So let's get started. Here we go, we have the Asus Zenfone 9 here with its default case, which is like this plastic case. It's good that they ship with one, but it's not very flexible. You cannot attach anything to it, just like accessories or something like this. And the new Connex accessories set from Asus is going to solve this, because it has some holes in here where you can connect various different accessories. Just like in this set we have two accessories, and I think it's written here what is included. So we have a Connex smart stand, which allows you to have a nice little stand if you want to watch some videos or something like this for the device, as well as a card holder if you want to use your credit cards or other payment cards and put them in here. And yeah, those are included in this package, and I think I'll just open it up here. And here we go. As you can see here, this is now the black version that I have here, just in contrast to the white version of the device itself. We have the case with the Asus and the 09 logo here, and I can put it on. It just fits as perfectly as the default white case here that comes with my device. But as you can see here, it's a nice little contrast to the device. Everything nice and shiny, everything nice and protected. The camera bump as well as the display a little bit. You can see the lip raising over the display a little bit. There you can see it here, especially on the edges in the background. So this should work fine. And we have those little holes here that are not only a good looking thing, especially with black and on white, but also we have the possibility to use them. And here's the instruction for how to use them. Put it on, and then you can put on the various different accessories as well. So I think I have to lift this up to reveal the accessories. Yes, here we have the two devices, and interesting is that we have like a black version of the stand and a grayish, greenish kind of lighter version of the card holder, which is rubber material here. So you can see it is flexible to put in some cards, not only one, probably could fit in a little bit more cards here. And yeah, I can put them on now here on the case. So if I want to have like a stand, I just have to see how to put it on. I think like this, and then press down. Yeah, press down here. It fits easily, and then I have now the stand here. And I can just, which direction does it go? I think it doesn't go this direction. There we go, the other direction. So here we go. Now you have a stand. You can watch your favorite movie with this one here pretty easily. Connex accessory detected. I can go even to settings and set it up, so it can automatically detect it and tell me what is wrong or right, how to set it up, how to open it up, so that I know how to do it. So this one would be the wrong way, this one is the right way, as you can see here. So it has this built in already in terms of software. So yeah, you have to press down here to open up the stand. It's not like moving it from here, so there's a magnet holding it apparently. And then yeah, you can have a stand here for even filming eventually, but most often you would probably want to watch some movies with this. So it has some NFC technology probably built in, so it detects which kind of stand is built in, and I can get it up off as well. Yeah, it has some connection here, and can put the card holder onto it. There we go. Press onto it, and now I have the possibility to put my cards in here and have it like as a mobile card holder. I don't have any instructions for this one here, because this one does not really need instructions for this, but I can like put some cards in here that I can store for easy payment and so on. So yeah, this is the Connex kit, and hopefully they will invent a lot more, as they have the technology to detect what has been plugged in here. I think they could do even a little bit more, just a little bit, adding a little bit of modularity to the device itself. And it's pretty interesting to see if they will add a few more things, like not only the case stand, but maybe some other things here as well, which might be, yeah, pretty handy. You can see when I open it up, I have even the technology, which is interesting. You can see it here automatically. As soon as I open up here, I'll just press, the device goes into camera mode. So I have also the possibility to probably configure this for something else in the system settings. Under advanced, I have the Connex accessory set, and here I can turn it on, and here you can see I have the option to say what to open up. So quick access when opening up the latch there, it is to open up the camera. So if I want to position it somewhere, I can open up even the, probably configure this and open up the front camera for selfies, for example, which makes a lot of sense, I would say. Or set a 5-second timer to take a picture. Record a video, open the flashlight, make a call even if you want to, or open any other app that you want to open up. And you can see the Connex card holder is also described here, and you can see how to use NFC when you have this attached. So pretty interesting idea, I would say, and hope to see more from Asus here. What do you think about this one here? Write it down in the comments. That's everything for this short little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Bye.